How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to take a look at Turtle Wax Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This is a non-acid wheel cleaner, safe for most wheels except for aluminum, anodized, you know the deal. You could spray on calipers, wheels, powder-coated wheels, wheel wells, wheel liners, and clean them all at once. Let it sit and dwell for a maximum of 30 seconds and either just rinse or agitate and rinse. For $5 and change, if this holds up to anywhere near the two wheel cleaners we just tested, P&S Brake Buster and also the Adams new wheel and tire cleaner, it would be a decent buy. So let's find out. Turtle Wax Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleaner, 23 ounces for $5.59 at Walmart. Anyways, you can grab it at Advanced Auto Parts, at any of your local auto parts stores. Combining synthetic brake dust removers and also grease and oil cutting surfactants, spray it on your wheel and simply rinse, or spray it on, let it dwell for 30 seconds for heavily soiled wheels and tires, agitate, and then rinse. Childproof Nozzle, foaming nozzle. Let's work on an old wheel and tire here. It's been dirty for years and years. We're going to spray it on, agitate it with a dedicated wheel brush, and we'll do the same for the wheel and the tire, see if we can get the lettering on the sidewalls a little bit brighter as well. Brighten up the wheel as we go. As we come in for a closer look, we could see it breaking down some of the bonded dirt. A little bit more than the P&S when I sprayed that on some tires, but a little bit less of the brown stuff being peeled off and running down the tires than when using Adams. So let's keep going here and see if we can rank this amongst some of the newest cleaners that are out there. After a little bit of agitation, you could see what is sitting on the surface of the tire and wheel, ready to be rinsed away. The wheels are pitted, but they're a bit brighter. The white wall lettering on the tires, nice and bright again. They're scraped up a bit, but they're nice and clean and bright. And the tires clean as well. Not bad. Okay, let's head out to this tandem here, this tandem trailer. We cleaned the right wheel and tire with the Adams wheel and tire cleaner. Let's do the remaining tire with the Turtle Wax foaming wheel and tire cleaner. We'll get it on there nice and even, a nice even coverage. We'll agitate with a brush, just a light detailing brush, soft bristles, rinse, and we'll compare. Okay, let's take a step or two back and compare the two wheels. The one on the right that we used, the Adams wheel and tire cleaner, is just a little bit brighter. So the aggression is just a little bit short. So let's move over to a tire that has a whole bunch of stuff hanging on the sidewall. This is all kinds of crud, contaminants, a long period of time without the tire being cleaned. Let's spray it on there without agitation and see what type of crud we can get to run down off the tire. Immediately seeing it pull off the browning of the tire, a little bit less than Adams, but a little bit more than the P&S. And after 30 seconds or so, give it a thorough rinse, and you'll see all the browning that's running off the tire as it's being rinsed. Alright, and the last tire I usually save for last. This is an old truck tire that hasn't been cleaned in decades, and it takes some of the stronger cleaners to even get a spot that you can see the tire. So we're going to test on here. Some of the cleaners I sprayed on here have failed to even make a dent in some of the baked on dirt. Who knows what this is after all these years. So I'm just going to spray it on and do the exact same thing. Agitate it with the soft detail brush, rinse it, and we'll come back when it's dried and take a look. And as that tire has dried a bit, we can indeed see that the Turtle Wax foaming wheel and tire cleaner is the third cleaner that broke through all of that crud. Let's go back to the Corvette wheel and tire. It looks a lot better as it has dried a bit now. If you have a question of your tire leaks, just spray a little bit of soapy water and that's what it will do for you. But no, this looks a lot better compared to the tire on the other side. Does a great job. All right, guys, time for the final thoughts segment of the video, the Turtle Wax Foaming Wheel and Tire Cleaner. At a little over $5, it does everything you would expect it to. When comparing it to familiar products, P&S Brake Buster or Adams Tire and Wheel Cleaner, Adams would be right here, P&S a little bit of a step below that, and then the Turtle Wax a little bit of a step below those two as well when it comes to aggression. Perfectly formulated for wheels that are just lightly soiled. So if you don't let your car get dirty, such as myself, I try not to let it go too long. Throw one of these in the trunk of your car and you will be absolutely fine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video. If you are enjoying the content from the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. That will let you know when we have fresh content available for you for your viewing pleasure.